Welcome to my channel Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe my channel. Love is the flower you've got to let grow. You are the rose that makes my garden bloom. Like flowers, our love grows beautifully. You're my sunflower, always shining bright. Our love blossoms like a spring garden. Every petal whispers, I love you. You're the wildflower in my heart. In the garden of love, you're my favorite bloom. Our love is rooted deep like a strong oak. I'd pick you again and again, my love. Your love is as sweet as a jasmine breeze. Like a sunflower, I turn to you for light. With you, love blossoms endlessly. You're the fragrance in my life's bouquet. Love is like a flower, it needs care to bloom. I love you like a rose loves the morning dew. You are the most beautiful flower in my garden of life. My heart blooms whenever I see you. You are my floral fairy tale. Love is the seed, and we are the blossoms. Every love story should bloom like spring flowers. My heart is a garden, and you are the bloom. Our love is like a wildflower, free and beautiful. Without you, my world feels like a withered flower. You're the wildflower in my heart. A heart in love is a garden in bloom. Your love is my favorite bouquet. Flowers fade, but love remains. Forever isn't long enough with you. You are my once in a lifetime. Love begins with you, love. Actor Farmi. You are my sweetest addiction. Love is the most powerful force. You make my heart skip a beat. Love means choosing you every day.